So, I'm guessing you have the key for this.
Yes, little Theo.
Oh, I notice all the vowels have been replaced in the key.
Yeah, I too noticed that.
What is stopping us? Let's get to work.
Very well. So, how to start? Any guesses?
Changing back the replaced letters in the message?
First, we check if all the letters that we need to replace are present in the message or not.
He's right. That way, we'll know what changes we need to make.
Okay, that makes sense. I'm on it.
Manually?
There is something known as hard work, but then of course there is something known as smart work.
Then how else?
To find the letter in the string, Mr. Python has a smart feature known as find. Let's use it and record the result. First, let's make a variable and store the encrypted message. So to use the find method, the letter K here, encrypted message dot find K.
Does this one mean K is present in the string?
Kind of. Look, we have so many letter Ks in the string. Find method gave us the index number of the first K in the string.